G'day guys, Scotty Lyons here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm down in beautiful Hobart, Tasmania. Over my shoulder there is Mount Wellington. The sun's just hitting the top of it, and I'm down here for a few hours to do a little bit of land-based fishing. Now the locals have told me that they catch salmon, bream, squid and flathead along these areas, so I'm going to spend the morning casting a few lures to see how I go. Well, there we go, a beautiful little squid. There he is, look at that. Early morning, and the little jig did the job. I've just been casting it around for a little while. Pink in colour. Look at that little ripper. Okay, let's get that lure back in the water. I'll let this guy go. Okay, a little flathead. And this will be a new species for me. I haven't caught this flathead before. There he is. Beautiful little flathead. Not really sure what he's called or what species he is, but it's a beautiful little flathead, and he's taken on the bloodworm wriggler. So, got some lethal spikes. I copped a spike in the hand. So all flathead have the spikes, as you can see hanging off his head there. Pretty lethal. So he's only a little fella, but we'll get him back in the water. Off he goes. Let's see if we can get another one. Well, how nice is this, guys? A couple of hours spinning with lures around the shore fronts of Hobart. Now, a simple kit I've got with me today is a little travel rod from Shimano. It's the Raider 2 to 4 kilo. Comes in 3 pieces, so it's a fantastic little outfit for this sort of work. Matched to that, I got a 2500 spinning reel. I brought with me a little assortment of lures. Little pink squid jig that we caught the squid on earlier. Some little metals. A range of soft plastics. And some little hard body lures. Nice small kit that works really well. So I'm going to continue on, see if we can get a few more fish. And looks like I've got myself a little Barracuda, and look, there's a follower behind him. These are fairly common down here, so I've been told. I'm pretty happy with that. That's my 3rd species this morning, and that's a little Barracuda. And there was a little follower with him as well. So, a lot of fun on light tackle. And the little Bumpa Bar did the damage. So I'll get this guy back in the water. Off he goes. Well, my fourth species for today. It's a little parrotfish of some description. Took quite a large soft plastic using the bloodworm wriggler just down amongst the boulders. Let's get him back in the water. And there he goes. Well, there you have it, guys. A couple of wonderful hours fishing the Derwent River in the middle of Hobart, Tasmania. I tell you what, fantastic place. Yesterday, walking up through the middle of Hobart on a bush track, I seen small brown trout swimming upstream, right in the middle of Hobart, the city itself. So it's a pretty amazing spot for fishers. A lot of opportunities for boat-based anglers and land-based anglers alike. So guys, tune in next week to The Hook and the Cook. Who knows where we'll be. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we'll see you guys on The Hook and the Cook next week. Cheers.